Hey guys, I'm Enric, LinkedIn profile here. I'm going to show you how to create 3D diagrams for your implementations. Hope this helped you a lot in your career. Cheers!
Okay, there is the challenge. The description says that a trader needs to manage their daily cash flow with transactions, debit and credit. Additionally, they require a report that provides the daily consolidated balance. Okay, business requirements, service for transaction management, service for daily consolidation, and technical requirements, solution design, microservice architecture, high availability, technologies you are proficient in, DevOps pipeline. That's it. Okay guys, we are here on the 3D diagrams. So I'm going to start by the solution architecture. So let me drag and drop this guy. And if you remember, we have two services here. One is kind of transaction management. Okay, and the other one is reporting services. Okay, great. So here we have a menu on the right side, and I'm going to change this color, also this and this. Okay. By copying this guy, I know that we're going to use databases, and also I know that we're going to use user interface, also authentication, and maybe the Microsoft Power BI here to show the reporting things. Okay, nice. So here we have the kind of security and gateway infrastructure as a microservice too. So Ocelot API gateway. Okay, done. And here identity server for security microservice. Okay, again I'm going to change the color. Ugly color, and this one. Okay, this one. Okay, nice. Here the Blazor user interface. If you don't know, the Blazor is Microsoft technology. It's like an Angular. Okay. And we can start by renaming the things. On the general tab, we have this guy. Okay, it is being hard to rotate this, but okay. User interface stack. Let me just copy here and write the security and gateway infrastructure here we have the API stack C#. Okay, no Power BI here. Okay, no problem at all. Okay, I have one icon here. Okay, Power BI, great. And we need the databases. Okay, transaction management database, and reporting database. And okay, returning back here to the AWS 3D, we can see those kind of arrows. And there is a way to rotate. I'm not remembering exactly how. Okay. Okay, we are done here. And here. And also we have this dash. Okay, 1 second. Okay, we have this dash that is here. Okay. And also this one, we're going to rotate again. Since these guys is always exchanging information, right? You can see the double arrow here, and also here, okay, and also here. And finally, the reporting API is going to send payloads, or the Microsoft Power BI is also going to request to the reporting API services. Okay, I think we need to rename here to database stack Mongo Cloud, since it will be in a cloud directly with the Mongo databases. And finally, here we are talking about the solution architecture. And okay, I'm going to increase this guy. Okay, awesome. And here we have this dash. Okay. Okay, awesome. Because if you remember, they have asked about resiliency and those kind of things. So we are going to do another architecture that is the, let me put here, cloud architecture. Okay. Okay, here in the cloud architecture, I'm going to put basically the things very similar, right? So let me put here and here. Okay, let me see, here we have this heading, right? I have the text already done. I'm going just to copy and paste. Okay, let me read. Geographic redundancy. In case of failure in a region, we have a replica available thousands of kilometers. Also, for each container, we have several pods when necessary, guaranteeing the load balancing and resiliency. Okay, so by following those this description, let me get a pod. Okay. Okay, on this example, I'm going to put just 4. And let me pick up this guy. User interface. Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. Here we have the identity. Let me see again because I'm not remembering right. Yes, identity server. Server 4. And here the Ocelot API pods. Okay. Security and gateway pod arrangement. Let me pick up a Kubernetes. Okay. The Kubernetes orchestrator is there. try to find the icon of a MongoDB. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm trying to pick up the description here. Okay, Mongo Cloud Transaction Management, and here Mongo Cloud Reporting. Okay, and here, oh my god, okay. Okay. Nice. Here we have one for the transaction management. Here, transaction management, and other one for reporting services. Okay, nice. Okay, at the final of the video we can, increase this text size and things like that to enhance the readability. Okay. Database arrangement. There is a pod arrangement, and the user interface pod arrangement, and the APIs pod arrangement. Okay, nice. Let me see. Here we can go ahead and pick up any of those, maybe this one or this one. I think this one. Okay. Why I'm picking up this is because we're doing now the DevOps pipeline. Okay, so it's usual to see the pipelines starting by the build number, right? Build number is kind of versioning or things like that. And here, as we are using C# to build a C# application, we need to restore the Nugget packages. Okay, then we need to build the solution. Then we are able to apply the unit test, integration test, and I'm going to copy again. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, integrate afterwards. We have the behavioral test if applicable, right? And now we have the kind of things related to DevSecOps, like static analysis, okay, security. Also, we can have a dynamic analysis, security again. We also, could be a requirement to have a quality gate. I don't know, maybe Sonar, maybe Cypress, Cypost, things like that. And if those all steps were applied successfully, we can finally publish the artifact. Okay, this is a normal DevOps pipeline, right? And here we have also other kind of shapes, right? Let me see. Okay, those kind of shapes, okay, that we can also use here. I'm going to pick up this arrow here, and also this other guy. Okay, it means that each of the service, microservice of anyway, will pass through this DevOps pipeline. Okay, and that's it. We have the authentication one, the API gateway, transaction management. We can also have the reporting service, and that's it. So we have here the DevOps pipeline, and this is a microservice